And the rock, Da Vinci grabbing their lead from the outside. Rain shower moving up on the inside and getting better. It's now getting better in the lead, followed by Rain Shower and Diamond Dane moving up in between horses. Da Vinci, Gold Cugat, and Gengen's Joy. Damir backstretch getting better by half a length, followed by Diamond Dane. Rain Shower moving up on the inside. Da Vinci on the farther outside. Gold Cugat, Gengen's Joy. Rounding the far turn, getting better on the outside. Diamond Dane between horses. And Rain Shower now moving up on the inside. It's getting better on the outside. And Rain Shower by the rail. Diamond Dane. And Vinci moving up on the outside. And on the inside is Gold Cugat. And into the home stretch, getting better on the outside, and Rain Shower by the rail, but it's still getting better on the outside. Rain Shower by the rail, getting better. Rain Shower getting better. Rain Shower by the rail, getting better on the outside. Is getting better on the outside, and Rain Shower by the rail, and nearing the payoff line, getting better. Rain Shower, getting better. Rain Shower, and finally at the payoff line, it's getting better. Rain Shower, Gold Cugat, Diamond Dane, Da Vinci, Gengen's Joy.
Parang bagamat second choice parang dihado na rin